Dear students, the next one class 9 work and energy chapter NCERT example problem number 11.2 we are going to discussing. First I will show the question now. Please see the question. The question is, a porter lift a luggage of 15 kg from the ground and puts it on his head 1.5 meter above the ground. Calculate the work done by him on the luggage. So with the help of the diagram, I will explain this question. Please listen. You know, in the porter, you can see in that railway junction, bus stand, in some area. So one porter, okay, here one luggage is there, okay, so this luggage, it will be lifted by this porter. Now this luggage is displaced to his head. Now this luggage is displaced on his head. So now actually the mass of the luggage is given as that is 15 kg luggage. Then the height is given from the ground. The height is given, that is 1.5 meter height. Okay, actually that is the height of that person. Okay, then after that, now they are asking, what about the work done by the porter on the luggage? So you know that work done formula. Work done, generally you know the force into displacement. Okay, but you know work done is equal to some force is okay because he applied a force on the luggage, so force is there, and then the displacement is nothing but that height. It is move opposite to the gravity. Okay, and then the next one, you know very well, that is F is equal to, also you know, that is a mass into acceleration. Okay, here acceleration is nothing but gravity, so we can say work done is equal to force is nothing but mg, or otherwise weight mg into height. So W is equal to, m value is given as 15 kg, g value for calculation purpose I can taken as 10 meter per second squared. So gravity value is 10, and then into h is the height is value, that is 1.5, height value is 1.5. okay, so the remaining calculation I can write here. Therefore work done is equal to, this is 15 into 15, or otherwise 10 into 1.5, that is 15. So 15 into 15, 10 into 1.5, that is equal to 15. 15 into 15, we can write 225. So work done is equal to 225 Newton meter, or otherwise one more unit, that is 225 joule. That's all. So we calculated the work done by the porter on the luggage. Okay, அப்போ அந்த பொருளை கீழேருந்து எடுத்து தலை மேலே வச்சிருக்கிறாரு, அதுக்கு அவர் எவ்வளோ ஒர்க் செஞ்சுருப்பார், எவ்வளோ எனர்ஜி ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணியிருப்பார் அப்படின்னா, that is 225 joule. Okay, students, I hope you understand. Okay, thank you.